Are you fed up with settling for average when it comes to your smartphone's display, camera, and performance? Imagine if Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max could set a new standard for flagship phones. Today, we're delving into some thrilling rumors about Apple's next big release. If you thought the iPhone 15 Pro Max was impressive, wait until you see what Cupertino has in store for us next year. Major upgrades are on the horizon, from a sleek redesign to powerful enhancements and cutting-edge camera features. This iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be the most ambitious iPhone launch we've seen in years. Get ready for a detailed look at what's coming. By the end of this, you'll be eagerly anticipating Apple's next big reveal. Let's start with the aspect that always has fans buzzing: the design. Apple has always been known for its sleek aesthetics, but it looks like they're taking things to the next level with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. First up, prepare for a potential overhaul of the iconic dynamic island. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max might showcase a narrower dynamic island thanks to advanced metal lens technology for Face ID. For those who may not be familiar, Dynamic Island is the clever pill-shaped cutout at the top of the screen that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. While it's been a popular feature since its debut with the iPhone 14 Pro series, some users have found it a bit intrusive. It seems Apple is ready to refine this element to offer a more streamlined, less obstructive experience. This change could provide extra screen space for content without sacrificing functionality. But that's not all. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to continue boasting its premium titanium build, ensuring that it feels as luxurious and durable as ever. In a twist, other models in the iPhone 17 lineup, such as the standard iPhone 17, the rumored iPhone 17 Slim, and the iPhone 17 Pro, are said to feature a more intricate aluminum design. While details are still emerging, the prospect of Apple exploring advanced aluminum craftsmanship through precision machining, unique finishes, or innovative manufacturing techniques is exciting. We're eager to see how Apple redefines this classic material. One of the most exciting potential features is the introduction of an always-on display mode. While many Android flagships have had this feature for years, Apple has yet to implement it on their iPhones. If you're as excited as we are about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Drop a comment below and let us know what aspect of the new iPhone you're most excited about: the upgraded camera system, the performance boosts, or that enticing new display. We're reading all your responses and can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.